C-10 pickup, right? I've been waiting for one of these for a long time because a lot of colleagues around the world want to see how the Dirty does these, see if he has any special things to do, and I do. So there he is on the bottom. One of the things you're probably gonna need to do is look at the interior, but through here, through the outside of the glass, and check to see where there is excess rubber touching, etc, etc, etc. And then you make your modifications on the inside once you know where that stuff is. I know that perhaps the best method for doing this, a flawless, or what is called a flawless job, is to go ahead and remove the glass. We've never done that. I won't today either, but I will do something that'll be very customer acceptable. Ceramic window film, and there's that. So what I want to do is I want to cover every single centimeter of glass with this black film, and limo is going to show light here or there, so let's see. There you go. Okay. That's that there. That is that there. Okay. I'm gonna move this guy here to the side of the pickup momentarily. The same people from South America that asked me about Jeep Cherokees with that rubber gasket all the way around, the same concept is going to apply to that one 100%. So kind of watch and follow, see what goes on. There, soft. There you go. Okay. Paipón. César, una navaja cuadrada usada, porfa. Se me olvidó. Okay, so I can see everything. Si no lo tiene, ni modo, déjalo así. I don't need one. Okay, one click like this, one only, and take this shit to town at a real good angle. Need for one more click. Ahorita la agarro, flaco. I think it's already had tint on before because it has this already cut at an angle, which is good. The bottom's already cut at an angle a little bit. There's my blade. I'm gonna use it a little bit. So yeah, it's already been trimmed at an angle. So the best thing now that we're gonna do is go ahead and clean them up, all of it. Real badass, all the way to the inside. Make sure there's nothing in there. And like every project I do, if you control the water, you're gonna control all the crap that might come from there down there into your film. And although this vehicle is very high risk for messing up because of contaminants, I'm gonna see if I can just do it with one pop right here in the tube and see what goes on. You'll be the first to know because you're watching. Okay. Alright. Saturday. March 28th. Para la gente de México o Sudamérica que quería mirar similar en este tipo de vehículos con el empaque de boleto alrededor, siempre han sido una chinga, nada fácil, pero así mero, controlamos. César, aquí te pongo la navaja, por favor.
Okay.
And now I have two of these. I'm gonna go ahead and touch all this thing around that it might have dust. My film might touch it. High probability it will. Okay. There's that. And there's a little bit of right here stuff. Very little. That's good. I'm not gonna disturb it anymore. I think that's good enough. We're almost done here. Okay, so okay. That yellow plastic that I used to go all the way around, that's pretty much getting whatever was embedded inside there. And right now all I'm gonna do is peel my pattern and install it. I'm gonna touch the bottom here again. Okay, like that, like this. Okay, one swipe again. All kinds of bad things can happen here as far as like messing up, but control your water and good things will happen. Okay, pattern time. Use all your body. This is about 61.5 inch long ass window, but he's small and manageable, so we're all good there. Okay. Use your body. There you go. Like there. Like there. Keep on using your body for this final thing. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go and lay it. make contact and start doing this over here. Alright. I'm not having made contact at the top right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Shove. I shoved it down. I'm gonna shove it across. I'm gonna shove it across here to the left now. Shove it there. Shove it down. Oh man. There you go. Let's go straight up. There you go. Okay, my man. This global ceramic film is very aggressive adhesive. Okay, pretty much you've seen it. It's already installed, and there you go. There was a black particle in there. I got it out. Okay. So whatever angle you want to look at this one now, he is all the way covered all the way to the top and bottom. When I was at the outside, I shoved the film about an eighth inch down, and so now I have complete coverage. And you can do this stuff, take it to town. Like that. So there it is, man. No mystery BS specs or nothing. It's installed and it's right on, and it's one shot and no more. I'm happy with the install. No gap of light, no water all over the place. It's all controlled, and that's about it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do this top, that way no water coming down all the way to the edge, all the way to the edge to the bottom, all the way across. And that's it. I'm done. Let me get out of this pickup because it's about 90 some degrees and it's getting warm. Guys, have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.